Welcome back to TechVerse. Exciting news from OpenAI, their ChatGPT Search feature is now available to everyone without needing to sign up. Discover how this game-changing tool can enhance your real-time web searches and bring you instant information. Stay tuned to learn more. Today, we're bringing you some thrilling updates from OpenAI. That's right, OpenAI's ChatGPT Search feature is now accessible to everyone, removing the need for accounts. This expansion means you can perform real-time web searches without any restrictions, even if you're an unregistered user. Originally launched in November 2024 for paid subscribers, the ChatGPT Search feature quickly gained popularity. By December 2024, OpenAI extended this powerful tool to free-tier users, allowing them to access real-time information from the web. Now, OpenAI has taken it a step further by opening up the feature to all users globally. Imagine the possibilities. No more waiting, no more sign-ups, just instant access to information. So how does it work? Simply visit the ChatGPT website and enter your query. You'll notice a globe icon next to the Attach File button in the ChatGPT text input field. Tapping this icon activates the web search mode, enabling ChatGPT to fetch and present information directly from the internet. This seamless integration allows you to get real-time results, making your searches more efficient and dynamic. Transparency is key, and OpenAI has designed the ChatGPT Search feature to be just that. When the chatbot references external information, you'll see a clickable icon after the sentence, allowing you to verify the source. Additionally, a list of sources is provided at the bottom of each response, offering clarity and traceability of the information presented. It's all about ensuring you have the most accurate and reliable information at your fingertips. What's even more impressive is that OpenAI has not imposed any rate limits for unregistered users. Free-tier users can also enjoy unlimited access to real-time information, ensuring a smooth and unrestricted search experience. This move is part of OpenAI's commitment to making AI-driven search accessible to a broader audience, enhancing the way we interact with information on the web. Interestingly, while this feature is making waves, the Finance Ministry has advised its employees to refrain from using AI tools like ChatGPT and DeepSeek for official work. Concerns about potential risks to the confidentiality of government documents and data have been cited as the reason behind this advisory. It's a reminder that while AI tools can be incredibly powerful, they must be used responsibly and with caution, especially in sensitive contexts. In summary, OpenAI's ChatGPT Search feature is now available to everyone, offering real-time web searches without the need for an account. This expansion not only enhances accessibility but also ensures that users can get instant, reliable information with ease. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a student, or just someone looking for quick answers, this tool is set to revolutionize the way you search the web. Stay tuned to TechVerse for more updates and in-depth reviews on the latest tech innovations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for all the latest tech news. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on TechVerse.